Seriously? On what planet is it okay to package something like this?
Oh, what's this? New eBay message. See here. Hey man, I'm sorry, but I need to return the mixer cover. Oh wait, you want to return it now? First you asked me to ship it to a different address. Now you want to return it. Really? Really? That's what we're gonna do? I guess. Yes, I understand that returns are frustrating. I get that, but it is part of reselling.
Wait, no, package. Yeah. Okay.
I got a package? Oh, I wonder if it's that return. This doesn't look promising.
Seriously? On what planet is it okay to package something like this?
So what am I supposed to do about this?
Maybe you should subscribe. Yeah, subscribe.
At least that wouldn't come damaged.
So what am I supposed to do about this?
Aren't you an eBay top-rated seller? Why don't you go look it up?
So it says we can deduct up to 50% of the item to recover lost value because it was damaged.
Well, that does sound positive. But what if they leave you a negative?
Well, it says that they will discuss it with the buyer and remove any negative or neutral feedback.
Sounds like a good thing.
I kind of wonder if we need to deduct 50% though.
I don't know. It was just the box that was damaged, not the item itself.
Yeah, it was just the box, but I can no longer sell it as brand new in a box.
So, how would you sell it?
Well, I would probably just sell it as used or new broken box or something like that.
You'd lose a little bit of money.
Just because the box was damaged doesn't mean that they should only get 50% back.
How much are you thinking about refunding?
I'll probably just give them a full refund.
Sounds like you're looking out for the buyer in this case.
Yeah, I think it's really on us as the seller to take care of the buyer the best that we can. And I know that that might be an unpopular opinion, but really it is on us to take care of the buyer. Just think, maybe they'll buy something else from you in the future and maybe not return.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe.